Syncing your Spectrum remote is essential for controlling your cable box. Spectrum remotes use infrared signals to communicate, so ensure there are no obstructions between the remote and the box. For most boxes, begin by holding the Setup button on the remote until the LED light turns on, usually red. Then, enter the appropriate 3 or 5-digit code for your box model. For instance, code 1758 often works for WorldBox. Press power to test the connection. If the box responds, the sync is complete. If not, try other codes available on Spectrum's support website or app. If you have a Bluetooth-enabled box, use the Spectrum TV app on your smartphone to scan and pair the devices, potentially via NFC or QR code. Keep in mind that some newer remotes support voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, requiring you to sync and control cable boxes without manual pairing in some cases. After pairing, thoroughly test all remote functions, including channel surfing, volume control, and DVR controls. If you encounter issues, here are step-by-step troubleshooting tips. If problems persist, consult Spectrum's online support or app for updated codes and guides. In 2025, user studies show high success rates when following updated firmware instructions, but outdated boxes can cause failures. User education is key to a seamless syncing experience.